Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Roblox mobile using barcode or QR code. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Roblox application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can add friend without username. So guys, you can simply click on add friend here. Okay, and then you're going to click on share QR code. Okay, and then your QR code will show up here. And if you want to add friend using barcode or QR code, you can click on this icon. Okay, and then you can ask your friend to open their Roblox account, and then they need to do the same. They need to go to add friend and then show their barcode. Okay, wait, I'm going to open up my Roblox on my PC. Okay, all right, and wait, let me repeat this tab. Okay, this is my Roblox account, my another Roblox account. Okay, and then we can simply click on add friend. Okay, that's so simple, right? Okay, and then you can ask your friend to accept your invitation. Okay, and if this menu hasn't appeared on your Roblox homepage, you can go to the more option and then open up the friends menu. And then you're going to click on this plus icon. And again, you're going to click on share QR code. All right, and then you can click on this icon. And for your information, you can only scan the barcode using the Roblox mobile because we don't have this we don't have this icon on the Roblox PC. On the Roblox PC, if you want to scan the barcode, you can use the PC camera. This menu isn't available on the Roblox PC, so you need to use your phone to get this scan QR code menu. Okay. Alright, and then you can also use the contact to add friend. If you don't want to add friend with username, you can click on connect with contact. And you can allow Roblox to access your contact and then you can add friend from there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add friend on Roblox mobile with QR code or barcode. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.